Bonjour, tout le monde.
Welcome back to French Bits. In today's video, we are going to practice French conversations in real-life situations. Whether you are at the supermarket, on public transport, or in a restaurant, these phrases will help you. I will give you time to repeat each phrase after me, so let's dive in. First, let's talk about shopping for groceries in French. Imagine you are at the supermarket and you need help finding something. Here's what you can say.
Excusez-moi, où puis-je trouver le pain?
Now your turn. Repeat after me.
Excusez-moi, où puis-je trouver le pain?
Great. Next, if you need to ask for the price, you can say this.
Combien coûte ce produit?
Your turn to try. Repeat after me.
Combien coûte ce produit?
Pretty simple, right? Now, let's move to a conversation you might have at checkout. If you are paying with a card, here's what to say.
Je voudrais payer par carte, s'il vous plaît.
Repeat it with me.
Je voudrais payer par carte, s'il vous plaît.
Now let's practice a quick dialogue. I will be the customer and you can be the store clerk. Ready?
Excusez-moi, où puis-je trouver le pain? C'est dans l'allée 4. Merci. Combien coûte ce produit? Il coûte 3 €. Je voudrais payer par carte, s'il vous plaît. Très bien.
Awesome! That's it for shopping. Let's move on to public transport. Now, let's talk about using public transport in French. If you are lost or need to ask about directions, here's a useful phrase.
Excusez-moi, ce bus va-t-il à la gare?
Now, it's your turn. Repeat after me.
Excusez-moi, ce bus va-t-il à la gare?
And if you are unsure where to get off, here's a useful question.
À quel arrêt dois-je descendre?
Try to speak after me.
À quel arrêt dois-je descendre?
Now let's practice dialogue. I will be the passenger, and you can be the bus driver or another passenger.
Excusez-moi, ce bus va-t-il à la gare? Oui, il va à la gare. À quel arrêt dois-je descendre? Vous devez descendre à la prochaine.
Well done. Now you know how to navigate French public transport. Now we will practice a restaurant conversation. Finally, let's practice ordering food at a restaurant. When you're ready to order, say this.
Je voudrais un sandwich au fromage, s'il vous plaît.
Now, say it with me.
Je voudrais un sandwich au fromage, s'il vous plaît.
Nicely done. And if you want the waiter's recommendation, say this.
Que recommandez-vous?
Repeat after me.
Que recommandez-vous?
Excellent. Finally, when you're finished with your meal, you can ask for the bill like this.
L'addition, s'il vous plaît.
Now, let's say it together.
L'addition, s'il vous plaît.
Let's do one last practice. I will be the waiter, and you will be the customer.
Bonjour. Vous êtes prêt à commander? Oui, je voudrais un sandwich au fromage. Très bien. Que voulez-vous boire? De l'eau, s'il vous plaît. D'accord. L'addition, s'il vous plaît. Je vais vous l'apporter tout de suite.
Bravo! You've practiced French in real-life scenarios, shopping, using public transport, and dining at a restaurant. Keep practicing, and you will be more confident in no time. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what you'd like to learn next.
Merci beaucoup et à bientôt.